Hey there, friends. Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat? What if I told you that just 1 tablespoon a day of a simple ingredient could help you on your weight loss journey? Stick with me because we're diving into the science, the how to, and the foods that make it work. I'm your guide, and I'm excited to share this with you. So, what's this powerful ingredient? It's apple cider vinegar, or ACV. This isn't just a trend, there's actually science behind it. A 2024 study in BMG Nutrition found that 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar daily for 12 weeks helped people lose 6 to 8 kilograms and reduce their body mass index by 2.7 to 3 points. That is quite impressive. Based on studies, apple cider vinegar's acetic acid can boost metabolism, curb appetite, and stabilize blood sugar, reducing those pesky cravings. But here's the deal. Apple cider vinegar works best when paired with smart eating and lifestyle habits. Let's explore how we can make this work for you. Ready to try it? Here's how to make a tasty apple cider vinegar elixir you'll love. First, ensure to buy raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. As apple cider vinegar is acidic, in order to protect your teeth and stomach, you'll need to mix it with 8 ounces of water to dilute it. Some things you can do to create a refreshing drink with apple cider vinegar. Number 1, grab a tall glass and add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Squeeze in half a lemon for a zesty kick and add a teaspoon of raw honey for sweetness. Number 2, in my case, I just mix it with 8 ounces of Crystal Light. I stir well and I've got an excellent refreshing drink that I'll enjoy. Use a straw to protect your enamel and sip it in the morning before meals to help curb your appetite. Again, always check with a healthcare professional before starting something new, especially if you're on different medications that may interact with that. To maximize belly fat loss, pair your apple cider vinegar with these superfoods. First, go for fiber-rich veggies like spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers. They'll keep you full and support your gut health. Next, lean proteins like grilled salmon, lean steak, grilled chicken, eggs, or lentils to boost metabolism and build muscle. And finally, include healthy fats like avocados, walnuts, or olive oil. Studies show that diets high in healthy fats can reduce visceral fat considerably. So, what's my go-to meal? I usually have a colorful salad with spinach, grilled steak or grilled chicken, avocados, green peppers, and I do drizzle olive oil on top of that. Honestly, it's delicious and it keeps me satisfied throughout the day. As for apple cider vinegar, it's awesome, but it's not a solo act. Add these habits to see results. First, move your body. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, like brisk walking or cycling. Studies show more activity burns even more fat. Secondly, prioritize your sleep. Did you know that less than 5 hours a night can lead to actual weight gain? And third, ditch those ultra-processed foods like chips and soda. Combine these with apple cider vinegar, and you've got an elixir that is a winning strategy. Not into drinking apple cider vinegar? You can get apple cider vinegar capsules as well as gummies. But just keep in mind that capsules are moderately effective while gummies are even less effective. And again, the studies I'm talking about on apple cider vinegar were taken on with individuals that actually were taking the liquid form. If you can take apple cider vinegar in the liquid form, it's by far the most effective for digestive, your weight loss, and blood sugar benefits due to its full potency, as well as getting the benefits of raw enzymes and probiotics. So there you have it. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar paired with smart foods and habits can support your belly fat loss journey. Try it for 30 days. I would love to hear your comments. Share it with me in the comment section below, and I can't wait to hear from you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. Let's make weight loss fun and sustainable together. See you in the next video.